Isolate to Africa, isolate to Bopoko, from Cape to Cairo, Morocco to Madagascar, no settler can claim an inch of our land. Welcome to the Azanian podcast once more, right here on TikTok and of course on YouTube. Also do follow my page, My Africa Zimkita Khodolo on Facebook. It's explosive, it is a big revelation, it is what we have been suspecting, but it is now formally out there. General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi has stated that spaza shops are used as money laundering institutions. They are used to fund wars, the money, outside places like Ethiopia, other countries where we find that there are wars. They are used by syndicates, drug cartels, mafias, ukuhlamba imali, to wash money. So you find that drug syndicates, drug cartels, mafias make money from illegal means, whatever that may be. Ithatha imali beyifront, kubekwe ivenkile, bavula ivenkile all over the place, uhlanjwa la mali bengathi imali iphuma kwi-spaza shops, while as we knowing that the money is not fully from the spaza shops. But also, my Africa, let us think. That's why I say it's things that we always suspect, but you don't have concrete proof of things. Let's make example ngezivenkile ze-cell phones, ezokulungisa i-cell phones. Let's make an example. You can find those, you've seen it, ezavenkile 6, 7 or 8 in one street, 4, 5 in one street, 3, 4 in one mall. And you ask yourself, maraba bantu benza kanjani mali? Because akubona ne customer, surely ukulungisa nothengisa i-cover ye-phone ye-100 rand, 80 rand, it cannot be. It doesn't measure compared to the rent. That's what I'm trying to say. You find that the rent is an exorbitant amount of money, but ezinto ezithengiswayo nale traffic nestock esilapha, surely baninzi abanye bebeyi 2 or 3, one next to the other, uzibuza ukuthi hayibo. So they are being used as a front for money laundering. And imali kuthiwa iyaphuma, utsho uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, iyaphuma phe azani billions a year. It is an estimated 3 to 5 billion every year is getting out of the country through the system of using ispaza shops. Naba be cell phones ndiyaba-eda kule ndaba yezipasa shops, because uthi wojonga ukuthi ayikho mali mani yenziwa apha, ukuthi rent imalini. That's why we're still calling upon township economy, rural economy must come back to the hands of us as Azanians, to us as South Africa. We must handle these things. Abanye babhatali ne-tax, abanye awuyazi nokuthi wenze malini njani nento. Money laundering. That's why sifuna zonke iziphaza shops, zonke township economy back sorry my friend, in the hands of abantu bakuthi. Izwe lethu, Bopoko.